Weight loss drinks that work fast. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss some weight loss drinks that work fast. While there is no magic potion for weight loss, these drinks can aid in weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So, let's get started. Green tea. Green tea is a natural source of caffeine and antioxidants that can help in weight loss. It can boost your metabolism and aid in fat burning. Drinking a cup of green tea in the morning or before a workout can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Lemon water. Drinking lemon water is a popular weight loss hack. It can help detoxify your body and aid in digestion. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This can help kickstart your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known to aid in weight loss by suppressing appetite and reducing fat storage in the body. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals to feel fuller and reduce calorie intake. Ginger tea. Ginger tea can help in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing inflammation in the body. Boil a cup of water with a few slices of ginger and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Protein shakes. Protein shakes can be a convenient and effective way to aid in weight loss. Protein is a macronutrient that can help you feel fuller for longer and boost your metabolism. You can make a protein shake by blending protein powder with water or milk and adding some fruits or nuts for extra nutrition.